Oh yes, here we go. So this is 48 hours later. You can see just what we've got going on here. So this is the pork tenderloin. It's soaked up pretty much all of the marinade. A lot of it's due to the coconut powder that's in there. Looks pretty good. It's changed color a little bit. I like it. There's a little bit of juice in the bottom of this mixing bowl here. So it's good to go. One more thing before I grill. I will add a little more extra virgin olive oil, just a splash to coat this really good and make sure it doesn't stick to my grill. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, and after you remove the pork from the refrigerator, it's a good idea to let it sit out for an hour or more, come up to temperature while you get your grill ready. Okay, so we're out here at the grill. This is not a grilling demonstration, by the way. My neighbor has the really big fancy stainless steel grill. He never cooks though. It's kind of funny. So what I'm doing here is oiling my grill. By the way, in case you're wondering about this old grill I use, it's made in the USA. That's important to me. It's very, very thick, durable steel, and I'm cooking on wrought iron grates. Also very important to me. It's the best surface for what I'm doing. This is hardwood smoked. There's oak and cherry on here. Oh yeah. Just so you know where I'm at here. There you go. Some of the coals are between 400 and 700 degrees. All right. All the meat is on. Close the cover, let it cook. Okay, look at that. This meat has been slow cooking here, getting all that smoked flavor for about 5 minutes on one side. I'll probably go 5 minutes on the other side. And I'll be back to finish this up. If you watch my other videos, then you know what the bird is in the background. Okay, looking really good here. Some of the smaller pieces are done. If you're not sure, you can check with the thermometer. And at this point, I'm going to put them in a clean stainless steel pan. That's the right way to do it. Okay, I'm still working on this pork. I decided to make a Asian style barbecue sauce here, kind of a sweet and sour tangy sauce. So here we go. I've got a clove of garlic. I like to smash it down like that, get it flat. I'm going to be using half an onion, so we're going to cut off the top and the bottom and remove that off to the side. Save it for something else. Got my half onion here. Oh yeah, this is one of these sweet ones. This time of year, these things are looking really good. So here we go. Going to just give it a couple little cuts like this. Okay, kind of a minced onion. I'm looking for mince, very small. Oh yeah, looking good. And the garlic, same deal. Okay, now all of this is going to go right into my small wok I've got over here. Got a hot wok with a little bit of salad oil. You can see it's hot. Oh yeah. Let it run. Alright, so the garlic and onion are nice and brown. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Now, I'm going to put equal parts cherry juice. This is maraschino cherry juice. A couple ounces. Ketchup. Use your favorite brand. A couple ounces. Oh yeah. Maple syrup. Just a touch. Stuff's expensive. Oh yeah. And we're going to let this reduce down. This is going to be an Asian barbecue sauce. Well, you know me, I got to put some more ingredients in there. It's not enough. So let's put a little bit of pepper. It doesn't need sugar, it doesn't need salt, but let's put one more thing, and it's just a touch of ground cloves. Give it a complex flavor. Okay. Oh, looking good. Now, you let this cook together, let all these flavors come together, and if it's too thick, you add a touch of water. And if it's too thin, you let it continue to reduce. This is about where I want it to coat my pork. Give it a little taste here. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Make sure to subscribe, please, right down there. Follow along on the chef's videos and improve your cooking journey. Okay, the finished pork here. Looking really good. Got this Asian style barbecue sauce. I'm going to put a little bit in a ramekin, and I'm going to put a little bit on top of the pork as well. So first, a little bit on the side right here, and a little bit right across this pork. Oh yeah. How does that look? Make sure to like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Try the recipe out. Oh yeah. Get cooking, and I'm going to plate it up in just a minute. Before I plate this pork up, I wanted to slice one piece for you. just to show you how nice it is. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's just done. And it's basically falling apart, so tender. So pork tenderloin's already gonna be soft, but this is just juicy and moist. Really, really nice. Okay, there we go. I just wanted to show that to you. I'll give it a quick taste test and tell you what I think. Wow, barbecue butter, so soft. All right, so to plate this one up here today, decided to go with a little bit of steamed white rice. Nothing too fancy. Right on the plate there. I'm gonna put this pork around here like this. I think I'd like at least one or two more small pieces. Here we go. Yep. I've got this awesome side of sauce. It's going to go with it. I'll put it right on the plate right here. Got a little bit of toasted sesame seeds. And if you remember, we used orange zest in the recipe. So part of my garnish is going to be some citrus zest here. And one last thing. Gotta have the cherry. There's cherry in the sauce. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Thumbs up, please. And the broccoli is optional with this. It goes very well with this dish, so I thought I would mention that. And yeah, try it out. Please do us a favor, come back, leave a comment, and tell us how this recipe worked out for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find.